Hello everyone, we are back. Let's try to create this transition, this slide. At first it don't have anything special, but when you run it, it show us the power of itself. Okay, if you like this kind of content, you can find a lot of them in my channel. But at first, let's try to create this. We create a blank space and format background and set the background color to the color we want. For example, we go with green this time and then apply it to all. Now we need the text, this text and this text. I just simply copy the both texts, press Ctrl and copy the texts and paste them here. We have the texts now, but one of the important things is that before the texts, we need to have what the background made of. How to create this? Some of you may have problem in creating 4 rectangles with the similar length, but it's pretty easy. You just create 2 of them that are equal to the similar way, and then press one of them and align it center. And now select 2 of them and make them fragment. Now you have the shapes you want. Press Ctrl and Shift, hold them and copy them. Okay, we have the shapes. Now select all of them. We set the shape outline to none, and then select 2 of them and color them white first time. These 2 color them black, and then copy this slide. Color these 2 things black and these 2 things white. The contrast is very important in your presentation. It makes everything to look more beautiful than you can ever guess. Okay, we copy the text, paste it here, and copy this text and paste it here. For the ones that don't understand, this text is using Overdrive Sunset as a font and this thing as a art. After using that, we change the text fill to white. Okay, and this effect is also very beautiful. We can use it if we want. Let's use it for now, and let's also change the thing here also to that type. Okay, it's good, it's nice, I love it. Now we select both pages and set the transition to morph easily. You see it's showing us a great thing to watch. It's pretty amazing. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the channel. I will answer you, and if you want more kind of this content, they were available in my channel.